Okay, I do not, under any circumstances, want you to use this thread in your sewing machine. Let me show you close up. This is a Gutermann thread. Gutermann, good brand, just bear with. So Gutermann is an excellent brand. Very happy to use Gutermann. But this particular thread is called quilting thread. Yeah, I know this is going to be confusing, so just stick with me for a moment. So, it's on a pinky, beige spool, and at the bottom it says quilting. Can you see that? Just there. Yeah, I know this is confusing. I'm hoping that's the right way around for you, because I'm looking at this as I'm recording it and it's back to front. So we're looking, when you see on the stand, it says quilting thread and it says quilting on the spool, and it's got this sort of pinky colour spool. Do not, under any circumstances, use this in your machine. And here is the reason. This is a hand quilting thread. So if you're a hand quilter, get some, go for it, enjoy. But for hand quilting, it's just a bit more, it's a bit tougher for us than our machine because we're manually doing it. So what Gutermann do, quite rightly for hand quilting, is wax the thread. So they coat the thread with a wax to make it easier for us to glide that thread through the quilt when we are doing our hand quilting stitches. But we do not, under any circumstances at all, want that wax going through our machine, because if you can imagine, we've got little bits of wax going through the mechanisms, I can't pronounce that, mechanisms of our machine. It will gum up our machine and all the mechanics, and we really do not want that to happen. That's a major fix, or it could break your machine. So here's what you need to look out for. So this pinky beigey colour that says quilting on the bottom of the spool, can't find it now, quilting on the bottom of the spool. This is the one that is for hand quilting only, not your machine, okay? I should be very cross if I find it on your machine. So what you do need to use, there are all manner of brands around, so I'm not going into all of the brands, just so that you know, particularly for Gutermann, if you're looking out for these, is, so the Gutermann sulky range, these are just standard cotton quilting thread, and can you see that the colour of the spool is different? So the blue one here is a hand quilting, and then this grey one here, this grey spool, is the machine quilting thread. And if you are in the shop and you feel the difference, you will feel that the hand quilting one is a lot smoother because it's coated in this wax. Sorry, it's hiding behind the thread. It's coated with a wax, and this is just your normal standard cotton. You can absolutely, of course, use the embroidery threads. This is sulky range as well, but this is a rayon, and that's absolutely fine too. And there are all manner of other brands out there. There's Metler, there's YSL, there's Orifil. There's all manner of brands, but just double check that that thread is not for hand quilting if it's one of the other brands. But I just want you to really make sure that you're not picking up this Gutermann quilting thread and putting it on your machine, because it's a very easy mistake to make, and I do not want you to make it. I hope that has been helpful. This has been a bit like a public service announcement, public service broadcast for quilters. So hope that's helped, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.